Thank you, Madam President. Your Excellencies, Fiji welcomes the commemoration of the 30th anniversary of the World Programme of Action for Youth, a global blueprint that continues to guide our collective efforts to advance the rights, empowerment, and participation of young people. In line with the Pact of the Future and its Annex 2 on Declarations for Future Generations, Fiji strongly believes that youth development is central for global development agenda. To accelerate progress for young people, Fiji has revised its National Youth Policy and the Pacific Youth Development Framework, PYDF. We have prioritized collaboration between all stakeholders within the critical areas of health, education, employment, inclusion and non-discrimination, as well as safety and justice. Madam President, Fiji passed our national anti-doping bill and established a national anti-doping organization called Drug-Free Sports Fiji to tackle the rise in drug addiction. Additionally, Fiji hosted the 2024 Pacific Senior Officials and Youth Ministers meeting with successful outcomes, emphasizing culture, tradition, and identity as vital anchors for Pacific youth empowerment. Today's youth do not have the privileges we once enjoyed. They are now forced to muster courage and resilience to survive the multiple and complex challenges the world presents today. In championing resilience, our youth training centers provide skills for youth who have fallen out of the mainstream education system. Youth in rural communities are empowered through community projects, focused on agriculture, automotive repairs, and cooperative development. Partnerships through sports, leadership exchanges, and digital services equip young people with knowledge and skills to support decision-making. In closing, Madam President, it is up to us as leaders to provide the political will, the resources, and relentless drive to restore hope and prosperity to our future generations. I thank you.